Mariah. I don't know what you're up to today, but today I'm dressing in all black and white to match my cat, if I can get her to come over here. I call this look the career cat because it's perfect for an office or a business or going to work, even though we're all stuck in our houses during quarantine. This look is my hottest of the looks, not because it's the sexiest, but because I live in Dallas and it's May. For my top, I layered a Madewell button down under a Target V-neck black sweater. I'm wearing just plain black jeans, although if you want to switch this up for the office, you could pair it with black slacks pretty easily. And I'm wearing heels from Steve Madden. I also accessorized my hair by pinning back one side with Anthropologie hair clips. The sweater I'm wearing is actually a bit longer than this. It hits around hip length, but to make it have a cropped appearance, I knotted it up in the back and used a rubber band, like the ones that you would use for your braces, to tie it up and tuck it in the back. I then rolled up the sleeves part way and left the cuffs of the button down sticking out for that chic tuxedo look, which is perfect for matching my cat because she's always wearing a tuxedo, a fur one. I call this look, these boots were made for catwalking, because this video is about my cat and I'm wearing boots. This look is all black with a pop of white at the patterned sock for a cool detail. It starts with the base of a black V-neck top, which I think every human person should own. Aliens, do what you want. I then paired it with a black denim mini skirt and ankle boots. I actually made this skirt myself. I took a pair of jeans that were way too small, cut the legs off, sewed the legs into the sides to make it wider, and voila. Turns out I didn't do that great of a job on it, but who cares? It looks great from far away. Anyway, I paired it with some square-toed ankle boots and had some black and white socks peeking over the top for what I thought was a really cool look. I think that this look is really edgy and easy, and the socks peeking out convinces people that you tried to coordinate your outfit a little better than you did. But it's all black to match with your cat, so no one will be the wiser. I call this look the killer kitten. It makes me feel like a stereotypical bully from a 90s or 2000s movie, basically because it's all black and I'm wearing combat boots and it gives me these stompy vibes. I'm wearing a t-shirt made by Akana's line Ghost and Stars, which is the cat math t-shirt. It has basic cat equations. Hopefully they're all nonsense. I don't know anything about math at all. I paired that with black skinny jeans from Madewell and a Madewell belt, as well as black combat boots from Target. They're kind of squeaky, but I don't care because they were so dick cheap. I finished this look off with a choker and a half up, half down hairstyle to really complete those 90s vibes. You'll notice that this is perfect for matching my cat because it's mostly black except for white markings on the chest. The perfect thing to perfectly match my cat would be to have some white go-go boots, but I don't. So I'll settle for the next best thing. This next look might be my favorite because it's got me feline fine. This look definitely makes me feel like a femme fatale. I started by cinching a t-shirt dress in at the waist with a wide black belt, and I paired it with over-the-knee black boots from Steve Madden. I think this pair together combines the sexiness of over-the-knee boots, but still doesn't show too much skin. The wide neckline shows off your décolletage, and the choker draws the eye in. I think the combination of silhouettes in this outfit definitely makes it feel both badass and girly, which is the combination that I'm always looking for. For accessories, I added this super cute faux python skin bag, and it has a little pom-pom detail at the handle. One, the real cat Pepper actually likes to play with this pom-pom a lot when my purse is unattended, and two, if we imagine that I am my cat as I dress like her, just imagine that she went out into the wild and caught this snake instead of me having it on a purse. This look is called the perfect pairing because I'm starting to run out of cat puns, and I like the way that I paired this tank top over a t-shirt. This top is basically too thin and skimpy to wear on its own, so I layered it over this lettuce hem t-shirt from Cotton On that's also too thin and see-through to be worn on its own, and voila, now I have a shirt that can be worn with a pair. I paired this with hair clips and bobble earrings because I felt like it was super duper 90s, and I'm wearing skinny jeans and over-the-knee boots. This look is called the house cat because it's pretty much exactly what I wear every day when I'm lounging around my house with my cat. My leggings are Calvin Klein with logo stripe elastic down the legs and at the waistband. It technically has a red accent, but we're just going to pretend that it's not for the sake of me exactly dressing like my cat. I'm wearing a black crop top that I DIY'd myself, plus black and white sneakers should I need to run out of the house to run an errand or something. I know that this look is easily the simplest look in this video, but I wanted to do some loungewear looks since we're all stuck in our houses, and this is pretty much what I wear on a day-to-day basis anyway, so it's not really stretching the truth at all. I basically match Pepper 100% of the time. What I've found from this experiment is that matching my cat is 100% worth it. It comes up with adorable outfits. Sorry if you have something like a calico. I don't know what to tell you there. I guess you're gonna wear a lot of orange.